What would be harder, the Bachelor or the Block? Definitely the Block.
We drank champagne.
And went on dates in helicopters.
And I went on dates and stuff.
Look at that. No one's taking your trophy anymore.
Well, that's good to know. We need to keep Keith out.
That's it.
He's coming for it, but he'll never get it back.
No, he won't get out of this, mate.
Keith.
What's going on?
I got some good news for you, mate. I'm not going anywhere. I'm here with you all day.
Just get in there and paint.
I just wanted to talk to you.
Paint, paint, and more paint.
All right, thanks, Keith.
You've got 15 pieces of art.
But I've got the walls for it. There are blank walls everywhere.
I love that floor runner.
It's really nice to sleep on.
What are you doing?
Just getting some honey. I need it from height.
It's an easy life for them, isn't it? They just tell us what to do and then leave.
I'll just put my wines
Oh, my
in.
God. We need to get these tiled and we need to put some of that here so people know that there's a hazard. It was actually the perfect height for you to sit underneath the stairs and have a glass of wine, wasn't it?
It was perfect.
A dinner party for ants.
Cheers, honey.
Cheers.
It's the perfect spot to entertain.
People carrying gyprock to their houses, yeah. Woo! Tuesday.
What, have that happening? Have you met Tom and Jerry before? They're here, and I can help you.
Tom and Jerry? Oh, isn't that a pussycat and a mouse?
Oh, Lucy's them. Tom and Jerry.
We have kids. I watch a lot of kids' shows.
For my own.
Where's everyone else?
Eddie's World! Eddie's World! Excellent! Party on! Let's go party! Let's party!
I've got flames on my ass. It's a hot ass. I'm not joking. I shouldn't have said that.
33 grand. You'd be good for a loan.
Yeah.
I tell you what, I know a couple of blokes that need a loan too.
He didn't know the rubbish was in there.
He should have known!
Yes, what? You're sleeping in the spare room, Elise. Elise can have a sleep in one of the other rooms, and I've got the girls, my tools. They're going to sleep with me in my room, so make sure they don't get away again.
Oh, honey. Are you kidding me?
No way, you're gone. Oh, you're all right. Get some rest, girls. You're going to get a bit of work later.
You left dirt on the bed.
No, we didn't.
Yes, you did.
Don't I?
'Cause we're living in a world of breaking it down. So while it's onwards and upwards in House 3...
A bike. From my garage. She's so random.
I am a tiler. Bring on more tiles. I'm done now. That's enough.
I probably said things that I'll regret. Elise probably said things she'll regret.
Not really.
I thought I was waiting. Paulie! Is he there? Paulie!
Help me! 33,000. I'm not good with this stuff. A hand coming around the corner, then we put blue board on that colour-bond wall there, and then we have a painting of you, and you're touching your fingers around the corner of the fireplace, you know?
Oh, no!
Just a knee over, like this.
It's a brothel. House 4 is a brothel.
In the winning dining room.
Yes, it was, Mel.
That's right.
Now, they've put these powers... Now, these solar panels... We've also got this Delta wall system. It is a car charger.